always and forever. It's a family make life. So y'all, let's get into this video. Apparently this armored truck had flipped over and people was out there recording out here in California, San Diego, man. So let's get into the video, y'all, real quick. Then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna tell y'all what I think about it.
Something that looks like a scene out of a movie.
This is the most insane thing I've ever seen. Someone dropped money all over the freeway. San Diego has shut down. Literally, it has shut down. Look at the freeway right now. Oh my gosh.
Girl, why? I would be out there picking up the money instead of recording. Well, that someone wasn't just anyone. It was an armored truck here that spilled all of that money over this busy freeway there. You can see people just gathering it and throwing it in the air. It's not known if these people will face any charges.
Literally everybody stopped on the freeway to get money off of the freeway. This is literally insane. This is insane! Oh my gosh.
Then we gonna scissor that, baby. So as y'all can see, man, this is why I don't do videos or record anything, because as y'all can see, as the video just played, 460,000 was taken off the freeway. Only 1 million was recovered. So they ain't gonna tell you how much more that was on the freeway. So that's why I gotta tell y'all, man, stop pulling out these damn phones and showing people where y'all at, what y'all doing, how y'all doing. Cause now the 2 people that was recorded facing federal charges. It's crazy, man. Put them phones up.